Franklin at Fragrance Lake. Gonna go for a swim, but he's a bit scared. You can do it! Oh! It's too far out for him. You can do it, Franklin. Go get it! Go get it! Go get it! He's whining. Oh. Franklin, go get it! Go get it! Okay, get this one. It's like right there and he won't get it. He doesn't want to leave the bottom. Good boy, Franklin! Yay! Good boy! Yay!